Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add keyframes in CapCut. Open CapCut and import your chosen video or image onto timeline. Before adding keyframes, envision the effect you want to create. For instance, if you are aiming for zoom-in effect, you will focus on scale keyframe. Begin positioning the playhead at the beginning of video. Activate Scale keyframe by clicking on Design icon. Move to the end of video and add New keyframe. Increase scale percentage for desired zoom effect. Increase scale to prepare for position keyframe. Add video start at the position keyframe. Adjust position for this keyframe. Move video and add second position keyframe. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.